I'm Adriana. Everyone calls me Adri. Welcome to my YouTube channel, aka my office, aka my life. I am the creator of the English is Fun method, which is the leading method in Italy for teaching English to preschool, kindergarten, and early primary children. I love teaching. I've been a teacher for over 30 years now. Love kids, love teaching, love languages. I'm a polyglot. By nature, I guess. I was born in South America in Uruguay, raised in the States, and I've been in Italy for the past 30 years where I settled down and started my business. Anyways, back to this channel. Why am I here? Because I'd love to share with you a little bit about my journey becoming a teacher, tips and tricks for teaching English as a foreign language, connecting with you. So if you have any ideas for content, let me know in the space below. I'd really love that, because what started off as just kind of something I wanted to try, this YouTubing, actually is turning into something I really love to do. So welcome to my channel. I upload every Wednesday.